In this video, I'll walk you through the darwintIQ dashboard and show you how to interpret what you're seeing. The goal is not just to display data, but to give you a structured view of how trading models behave under current market conditions. At a high level, this dashboard is a snapshot of the current market state as seen through the lens of evolving trading models. Instead of focusing on a single strategy, darwintIQ evaluates an entire population of models and continuously ranks them based on recent performance. Let's start with the system status at the top. Here you can see aggregated metrics across the current generation of models. The population shows how many models are currently active relative to the total search space. Average fitness gives you an idea of how well models are performing overall, not in absolute terms, but relative to recent market conditions. Average expected pips reflects the short-term opportunity the system currently detects. An average drawdown gives you a sense of the overall risk profile of the model population. Together, these metrics describe the environment or overall health of the model population rather than a single strategy. You're not looking at signals here. You're looking at how adapted the model population is to the current market regime. Strong fitness combined with stable drawdown usually indicates a structured, exploitable environment. Below that, you see the individual symbols. Each card represents one market, like gold, euro dollar, or indices like the S&P 500. The idea is simple. Instead of analyzing charts manually, you get a structured summary of what's currently happening. Let's take one example. At the top, you see the latest price along with basic metrics, like ATR and spread. These give context about volatility and trading conditions. Then you'll see something more interesting, the dominant cluster. The dominant cluster represents a group of models that currently behave similarly and perform well. You can think of it as a temporary consensus among the most adaptive strategies. It's not fixed. It can disappear, shift, or reform as market conditions change. You'll also see values like fitness, signal direction, and timing. These are not meant to be followed blindly. Instead, they help you understand which types of behavior are currently effective. Are short-term mean reversion models working, or are trend-following models dominating? The dashboard also provides estimated support and resistance levels. These are not drawn manually. They emerge from how the models interact with price and where they tend to perform best. That makes them adaptive, not static lines on a chart. If you want to go deeper, you can open the full dashboard for each symbol. There you'll see individual models, their structure, and their performance over time. Sometimes you'll notice that no dominant cluster is visible. That usually means the system is filtering out noise. In other words, the market may currently lack structure that models can reliably exploit. And that's a valuable signal in itself. The key idea behind this dashboard is simple. Markets are not static, and strategies shouldn't be either. Instead of optimizing one model, darwintIQ continuously explores many and shows you which ones currently make sense. In the next videos, I'll walk you through individual models in more detail and show how they are structured internally. If you're interested in quantitative trading and adaptive systems, feel free to follow along.